Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. This is Vlogmas Day 20. 20. Got 5 days left for Christmas, y'all. And I'm going to give y'all something here easy. Y'all probably stressed out, going crazy, like, oh my God, I need something else to do for Christmas. Or I need something else to put on my Christmas dinner party. We're going to do some old school banana bread. We don't need no mixer for this. I'm going to do this all what we call in the culinary industry freehand. We ain't going to do no mixer. Very simple, very easy. Banana nut bread, y'all. The old school way. So first thing we're going to do here, let me tell you what I got here. Got some regular granulated sugar, vanilla, chopped pecans, got bananas, of course, a little cinnamon and nutmeg. You can omit that if you want to, but I like a little cinnamon and nutmeg. Not much, just a little. Got some baking soda, some eggs, room temperature eggs, some melted butter here that I need to put back in the microwave because it's been sitting out too long and it ain't melting no more. And some all-purpose flour, y'all. That's all we got here. That's all we need. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get all the dry mix together here in the bowl. Put my flour in there. My baking soda. Some of that chill off that butter. A little, there's my cinnamon and nutmeg. Put all that in there. My sugar. Gonna mix all this dry up together. I mean, if you wanna sift it together, y'all, you definitely can. But I'm not gonna sift this together. Okay, we're gonna set that aside here. Now, we're gonna get these bananas all mashed up here. Now these bananas, look at that, the bananas. See those? That's good bananas for banana bread, y'all. So like I do, like to kind of mash them up in the skin a little, and then put them in the bowl right here. Then I'm gonna take a fork and I'm gonna mash them a little bit more. And that's when the bananas are really, really sweet. When they get this color here, y'all, like I said, I kind of mash them up here. When they get this color, they're very sweet. Y'all already know. You already know that joke, y'all, that people have bananas sitting up on the counter, be dark. And I saw this thing on Facebook one day that say, you know you ain't gonna make no banana bread. You might as well throw them bananas away. Bring the bananas away. I use about 4 bananas, y'all, in here. Like I said, kind of mash them up in there. And we'll put them right there in the bowl. Then I'm gonna take my fork here, kind of get a little bit more mash to them. Like I said, y'all, you don't need no mixer for this or nothing, y'all. Kind of mash them up just like this. You can use a potato masher, which I do have sitting over there, but they don't take all that, because these are nice, ripe bananas, y'all. See that? That's what I'm talking about. See, that ain't take long at all, y'all. See that? Okay, now, we're going to get our bowl back over here. Now, we're going to mix everything together here, y'all. We're going to put our butter in here. We're going to mix our eggs up in here. Put a little mix there. Put them in there. We got vanilla. It's so easy, right, y'all? How easy is this, huh? How easy is this? Okay, we're gonna mix all this up together, y'all. This is just so easy. No mixer required. See that? Look at that, y'all. Yeah, but that ain't easy, huh? Chef Jeffrey got an easy recipe. Now we're gonna throw all the pecans in there. That's gonna be the nut part. You can put any nuts you want, y'all. You can put walnuts. Got some cashews. Throw them cashews in there. Ain't gonna hurt it at all, y'all. Okay, now got that done. Got my little loaf pan here. Let me spray it again here, y'all. Spray this bad boy again here. Make sure this bad boy is good and sprayed. Cause you make a banana nut bread, you can't get it out the pan. That wouldn't work well with it. That would be very bad. Okay. All right, y'all. We're gonna pour this right into the loaf pan. There we go. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there, y'all. All that goodness out of there. There we go. We're gonna put this 325 degrees, y'all. About 50 minutes, 50 to 60 minutes, y'all. 50 to 60 minutes. I'm gonna check it out to 45 minutes. Make it sure it's doing okay. We'll be back. Old school banana nut bread, y'all. Vlogmas Day 20. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. The banana nut bread is out of the oven, and it is absolutely beautiful, y'all. Look at this. It took me exactly 45 minutes to do this. A little bit over 45, closer to 50 minutes to do that. When I say check it out to 45 minutes, everybody's oven is different. Everybody's altitude is different. So all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna flip this bad boy out. Hopefully I can flip it. It's just still hot. Flip it out, put it on my rack here. We're gonna let this bad boy cool. And then we're gonna come back here in about maybe 45 minutes or so. We're gonna cut this up. I gotta slice it up and prove to y'all how good it is. Like I told y'all, it's very simple. You don't need a mixer. And this just screams the holidays. I mean, but a good banana nut bread, a zucchini bread, a carrot bread is very, very festive for the holidays. So anyway, y'all, we'll be back. I'm gonna have it all sliced up, ready to go when we come back. Old school banana nut bread, y'all. Vlogmas Day 20. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this banana nut bread, y'all. See that? See that good banana nut bread here? Pick it up here where y'all can see it. Look at it. See them nuts in there? And y'all can put, I put raisins in it. You can put raisins in it. I know people put raisins in it. It's popular, but it's very simple. Y'all see how easy I made this? But the real tale is, let me break it in half here. You can see how moist this is. Look at this. Look how moist. See how moist that is, y'all? Look at that. It's moist. All right, y'all. Going in here. And you know, anytime you add bananas to something, that's going to help the moisture of it. Look at that. One thing about this, it's not too sweet. Perfect for, you know what's good, this is good for the next day or next couple of days, make you some French toast out of it. Oh my God. French toast made out of banana nut bread, absolutely amazing. See that? It's so good, y'all. And the best piece is that end piece. With that crust on it, the piece right there, that's really the best piece. But yeah, it's so good. I just want to share with y'all something that you could do last minute. You don't need to bring out the mixer. Make this, and people make this on Christmas Eve. Everybody's asleep. You're trying to think of something else to make. You don't want to cut on the mixer and wake everybody up. This is what you can make right here, y'all. Old school banana nut bread. You can leave the nuts out and just make old school banana bread. It's your choice. Put you some cherries in there. Hey, it's endless what you can do. So anyway, let me close the video out. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Patreon, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2023, just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Vlogmas Day 20 is done.